Hello, this is Anne-Marie Chung from annemariechung.com. And this week I've been going through kind of an introspective journey of self-analysis. Um, Looking back to move forward. Questions like what lights you up? What sets your soul on fire? What do you love? So the self-analysis, it took me back to my childhood, of moments of feeling joy. And I was thinking too, how do I want my art to feel? So I thought about joyful and magical. And then going back to my childhood, I remember this one project I did at school. It was all about the Aztecs. And so I made all these drawings and paintings of Aztec gods for my presentation on poster boards. And I remember I was always intrigued by the patterns. You know, a lot of the like rectangles, triangles, circles. And I noticed this is in my art today. So this love of ancient civilizations started when I was, I'm not sure if I was in elementary school or high school at that time. But one of my jobs I was thinking I wanted to do when I grew up was to be an archaeologist. The kind of Indiana Jones type of archaeologist, though. The one who explored and went on adventures to find really cool stuff. Another big interest as a child, a teen, I would say, was Greek mythology that I learned in school, that I studied in school. I was always so amazed by the stories of the gods and the goddesses. And I was particularly drawn to the winged creatures like griffins and sirens and Pegasus. So yeah, in my art now, I do a lot of, I'm doing a series on angels. And where's the art in my life? Water. I'm always drawn to water, even as a child. I always loved to be swimming or at the beach, in water. Even in high school, I was in the synchronized swimming club. I wasn't all that great at it, but I really enjoyed it. And I used to do, I had a snorkeling class in our gym class in high school. And I remember sitting on the bottom of the pool, and I could hold my breath the longest, actually. There just seemed to be guys in my class too. I was the only girl, I think. And I've always been rather competitive as well. So thinking about the now, about intuition, what I love. I love the water, the flow. I love taking walks in nature. I love being moving, constantly movement. Yeah, yoga. I love sitting in my sauna. I love the heat. I love Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu right now. Why do I love it so much? It's a rather rough sport. You end up bruised and choked and kind of banged about, but it's intriguing. There's so much to learn. I think that's what fascinates me about it. And it's a combat sport, so very much like chess, where you have to decide. When one makes one move, you have to make another move, depending on what they do. And lately I've been coming home to who I am. The soul never lets up. But are you listening? What is my soul calling me to do? And I was taking a look at colors in my work as well. What colors am I drawn to? I seem to be drawn to a lot of the gold, the warm colors, gold, oranges, yellows, reds, hot red colors. Yeah, and there's also the blues as well I'm really drawn to. The blues, the water, the sky, things that I love. But what is the yellow and gold? What is it? What do they mean? Maybe the sun, the warmth that I'm drawn to? I'm not sure. And it was also about finding your true north. How can I create more of what I love? What do I want to be doing? Maybe painting large, joyous, magical art. My studio, my beach house studio. Anyways, that was my journey this week.